question in a minute.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor until 4:15 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near South Amboy, moving north at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Raritan Bay around 3:25 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with the storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Well, we got a doubleheader. Let's see.
The National
Now.
Weather